Hey there, assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are having a good time. So today I have come to my favorite place in Dhaka city. This is one of my favorite places in Dhaka city, which I love most, and I love to spend my time here. Whenever I get free time, I love spending time in this place. This is none other than Ramna Park. You know Ramna Park, which is situated at the heart of Dhaka city. You can see the real view of Ramna Park. This is Ramna Park. If you are free, definitely you are free on Friday, right? This is our national weekend. So you can come to Ramna Park on Friday, okay? And you can visit Ramna Park, okay? So now I'm passing my time at Ramna Park. You can see there is a lake, you can say a canal, or you can say there is a pond in front of me. There are a lot of and different types of trees there. When I walk here, I feel very happy because this place, actually I'm fond of this place, and that is why I come here, okay? And this is Ramna Park. This is our Ramna Park. And those who visited Ramna Park before, they don't know about this lake where I'm standing right now. Right now I'm standing on a lake which has been a famous places in Ramna Park, okay? Because there is a pond and this is a lake bridge and people come here. And you can see there is a couple, those who are taking pictures. Actually, they got married. They are newly married couple, and they are taking pictures. You can see behind of me, there is a beautiful area, and this has been a recreational area for Dhaka city people. You know about Ramna Park. There are a lot of birds which are chirping always, and there are different types of trees. You can take fresh air and environment and fresh oxygen. So please come to Ramna Park for passing your time. You can come here with your friends for studying, for passing your time, and also you can come here with your family, because this is a safe and secure place for you, and natural place. If you live in Dhaka, definitely you have to come here because this is like your village, okay? Now actually wind is blowing, so I'm taking fresh air and environment. So that is why I'm really happy to come here. Today I have come here with one of my best friends, Ibrahim, and he is taking my video right now. Actually there is a bridge and this is another bridge, and middle of side there is like a mini river, or you can say a canal. How beautiful the place is, you can see. So dear friends, those who feel alone, please come to Ramna Park and you will enjoy the beauty of nature. What a beauty. You can see there is a father who is walking with his daughter behind me, and you can see so now I'm just enjoying the beauty of nature alone. I love water, and there is water in front of me, and also I love trees, and there are a lot of trees in front of me. I love sky, and I can see and I can enjoy the clear sky today, and sunshine. You can see sunshine on my face right now. I love nature, so on weekend everyone should visit Ramna Park. Thank you so much.